This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
Okay. Yes, I buy Mamma now Kababium about midfield action Kesman 93.3. Afe Yemra air stories no emu kakra. And the cam. Me sha say free wo na sima kakra. Me head the beko. Be sima ngotwe na ikodu.
No problem.
Yep.
Me shall say, me started from a question and I'm encouraging.
Yanko questions this one sana ya.
O say after sa embarrassment see
Dientina.
yes.
Oda hotro. E coach bia nka okoda dada. Yap sake no na nka no pam no.
Pamo de olugo na so say wa ba bibi ni resignation in adwuma mti emfe no ntonche. Moreover, there are several reasons as to why after that embarrassment and humiliation Ewo Old Trafford opening still at post. Adean can we expect to see Obi hu and say Liverpool etimi room our Manchester United crew makosi omunum. It's unprecedented. And for Mo Salah to choose Old Trafford to crown himself as one of the greatest African footballers to grade the EPL no. A United supporter, who a United faithful, who belong to the legendary status, who belong to the file and rank of Manchester United, and also Oboto now calling for the head of the coach or calling for the exit of Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. But there are reasons why the man is still at post. First reason they say, one, he's a legend of the club and only a number one. Number two, Cristiano Ronaldo, according to Njemuni Jitum, say, it is not the coach. Ronaldo, who is a big boy of the United setup, I believe we say there's certain players within the United setup. The big boy in the setup is rallying behind the coach. Again, Ferguson no be any on the cover Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. He's in support of Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. And again, there's a division between the supporters. If we believe it's a problem in your they need to give him a holding midfielder for a proper balance in midfield and he can do the job. Again, if we also believe we say the legends are almost here, pandas are almost TVs no, kabimano. Into Rio Ferdinand in the last minute. What because a team now almost they lack an identity. And we and can say almost to Manchester City by 6 goes to 1. But so United team now a bit of an identity under Alex Ferguson. Gary Neville modie and they believe say and yet only gonna associate a problem no because they have the right materials and players are not living up. And to believe we say it is the attitude of the players. They are not ready, so give you an all-round performance. They are not ready to fight. They are not efficient. They don't play as a team. And the United standard instead of so Ronaldo, or Paul Pogba, or Bruno Fernandes, or Harry Maguire said, "Yo, these players need to live up." And again, if we must believe we say, "Oh, Harry Maguire performance I drop no all chiche goes here." You can blame the coach. These are the reason why Openi friend Ole Gunnar Solskjaer is still at poster. United for no your Madison Bepano. Again, they don't want to bring an outsider. So the two teams Shimuna Mokana, almost the Jose by, almost the Louis Vaha by, almost the Davis Moyes by. But this is an insider. Now, I'm inside now. I'm beer and free inside because already, and now my account has said, so okay, insiders now. You are talking about former Manchester United players, or my coaching course. Said you, who expects to bet me I take you over from Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. But as I stated yesterday, sir, all students in students of the class of 92 or students of Ferguson, said you, now be a modern Swenny. And it's also one for outsider, man. I will go in for an insider. Are you bringing Steve Bruce? Or the Marcus Never? Or the Gary Neville Never? Or the Paul Scholes Never? Who are you bringing? Obviously, you need to go in for an outsider. And said you, these are the reason why Ole Gunnar Solskjaer is still at post. But in Craig Free Italy, Bano, and they say, Utie, open friend Alfredo Pedula, and a Gianluca Di Marzio. Almost United in Penny Inferno. I contacted open friend Antonio Conte. Now I catch almost obey 12 million euros. 3 years no best and their mom. Zinedine Zidane dear. Or said there be team no Guswa airborne dear. Or Mame Fat. But so said you. So for Antonio Conte, I didn't hear from Conte. One, the number of goals at United are considered and how porous on the defense you expect Conte to stop that, to fix that particular gap. Again, he is a quick fix manager. After Jose Mourinho, United for him to win a trophy. And you are talking of Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, 18 titles are what decided to over fighting. Now we lose ya. Into the Conte bar. He's a title contender. He's a quick fix manager. And Sergio, in the presence of Pep Guardiola, Jurgen Klopp, Jose Mourinho, Antonio Conte came from the Italian Serie A, Oba Chelsea straight away, Oba G League at the expense of these top class and world class managers. In Chelsea Conte there, he is a league specialist. Oko Italy, no, for 10 to 11 years, and Inter Milan and Inter League, you know, after Jose Mourinho, in just 2 seasons, what G League in the amount. That is Conte for you. Almost the last time I know free. EPL no. FA Cup no team G and only players in Nantokwa or free and Seru. And if I believe we say or one coach or Tane stars at and Tokwa. But that is Conte for you. Defense and acquire them na aye poros. Now I set on Mamoto with if you need an Italian to fill that gap, obviously it's Antonio Conte. And the Italians are proving so more the opportunity in the EPL that they can deliver. Days of Carlo Ancelotti.
Man U, Omopen.
So that is the report coming from Italy. Until America said after listening to Alfredo Pedula and then Gianluca Di Marzio, no, the entire and says almost for an outsider there, a Conte because it is done in the process of the team now. This is season barrier, but Conte is ready and is ready to fix.
Now make a report to Martin Samuel.
Okay.
Also the idea that Manchester United don't need Antonio Conte is just bizarre.
Oh, okay.
So what's the question? Yes. I report on the semi-baby and what's wrong. Then Buza said, why are you a Man U? Omunya Conte.
So you coach Omunya say pa.
Narrow. Quay.
You know, Carlo Ancelotti in coma or catch Ronald Koeman on just interesting, but what can you say? Or say a human on na the Moide or Sedu on one also Crabaton. He was the first player of both free kick shares Sampdoria Wembley in 1992. Abra Barcelona AJ almost fair Champions League. Obefe Jumana last season Ankoye and 3 times in the El Clasico and Yamankoye in farm open FN Ronald Koeman. Makase Oshe the history as a coach on Chebe Biaso you coach and Modebo Swain. And again, giving the opportunity in Barcelona, being an insider, no be any so be Jumano, Amanabro baby Ujine. Real Madrid are back compounded to the problem of Barcelona by beating Barcelona at home. For the first time, Carlo Ancelotti had the team about a new camp and Obabinya victory. But again, we're constantly opening some more on Kobebia. So the Barca supporters, they have different opinion as to some of SIATH. They feel that even with the materials available, or settle our Barca more than what is a change you move or park and so. So struggle against Granada, now struggle against Cadesia. Sana supporters Nebeka. But so here Madrid the baby omu project in the drew now share the quality available and the level of consistency in there. What the Barca Diana Etotua and ya say Ref no call manim kakra and again so lose to ATM now lose to Madrid in recent times BBH says these are 2 teams so much chess or more de bonus Swen at Barcelona and said you saw a Barca supporter you must endure. Baby United for Nijane, baby Arsenal for Nijane, baby AC Milan for no call from 2011 and Fino Mobano. A Hona Barcelona dream. The reality is at our very peak, and ya Ansu Fati na beshe number 10 GC. There wasn't any way, as the Kwankani Christian tell you, ni Pedro Mobe the best players of Barcelona. They have certain individuals around them. Even with Lionel Messi had Samuel Eto'o and then Ronaldinho the assess Moral plus Deco. Time and I also go in the Champions League final. I was studying Olympico in 2010. Now Samuel Eto'o did catch a first goal. So the whole Messi has certain individuals around him, and Ansu Fati will need time to grow. So the team could depend on Gavi, Pedro, and Ansu Fati. It's just you have a long way to go. It's just you need time to prepare for you to come back. Inti Ansu ni obianim so potential no, but do no clear woman say baby abasa dinedi. It may take time before they come back. They can go in for the almighty Pep Guardiola, but do again it will take time for them to come back. Ronald Koeman Modebo in Seni, but do. Barca will need top individual quality to add up before Motimia compete. So actually the Vinicius Junior the year Oscar Miguel are right here. It just said Barca has a long way to go. And also Eric Garcia at the back. It just said Barca will need an elite centre back to pair him because baby Ajira Pique said you and Nadia Sebefa. I agree with our opening friend Carlo Ancelotti. And again, Barca and Son Nisika, Omedeko Pam Ronald Koeman, a very good coach. And the supporters must endure. And so I think it will take time for Barca to come back.
And until Namone Christensen, More born and soon some more sign contract, no more extended. Na general to maybe another Barcelona.
So you back say back.
Someone was just
No, back for the na who be an athlete. Piqué, Lingler, Eric Garcia, Oscar Migueza, Ronaldo Araujo. So Christiansen, I said, he qualified for the 3-back system perfectly. He can be on the right, at the middle, on the left. So call for 4-back. He's an expert at the 4-back. Say
2.5 months ni. Still, any boy no. Kasano Nkoyi.
Sana basa.
2.5 months.
Yeniska.
First no muska na no sana no mo.
Yes.
And you baby.
You got to present about you.
One baby. One Ejuma talk on so here. Also a match Aluba chance pa. One match Aluba chance. The guy is playing so well. Even the last but one game of boy show Malansa chance. We ball of a boy. Apart from Thiago Silva and Rudiger, who have cemented as one of the 2 of the 3-back. On the right side of the 3-back, no rotate between Cesar Azpilicueta, Malansa, and then Chaluba. So Christiansen kwa. So he has one player within the team who beat me fill that particular gap.
Wow. Liverpool will win the EPL hands down. Aisha. What are you doing?
David said, "Oh, I mean, the Pamians and Omati or more so on. Omen competing for the EPL no be any no. Manchester City, Chelsea, Liverpool.
Wow.
Because City I can say you check them in EPL in recent times. So we need big games now. Boama Oji League ne pie. You can check when Liverpool won the league. You can check the last time Manchester City won the league. And this season, Manchester City, the big games, they are doing and performing so well. Right. Liverpool are on smooth ride. Almost 4 months. But Joe, Chelsea soon give you up. They are first on the league table. Yeah. And I feel it's 3 teams now and they'll be competing for the EPL title.
I see. Now, say, Kofi, good morning. Samia Kufomine. Everybody see energy on Nana messages, calls. Manenti Fasu Kakra, Liverpool. Liverpool. Okay. Alaba for your chamu, say, show you move a Niagro or crack.